Hi, I'm Lisa from the Soundcloud. You know those annoying little tasks that you keep putting off? Oh yeah, I've got a few of those too. Like the broken grout at the bottom of my kitchen tiles. It really doesn't look good, and I've been wanting to do something about it for a long time. So today we're going to fix it. And why doesn't Andy do it? Well, somebody has to hold the camera. But before we start, can I ask you to please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already? It's completely free and it would really help us getting our videos out to more people. And if nothing else, give us a like. Thank you so much. We are Andy and Lisa, a musician and an illustrator. This is where all our crazy ideas come together. Welcome to the Soundcloud. Okay, let's evacuate Gaston and switch off the induction hob. Better protect the glass top too. We're going to need some tools. I have this grout scraper, it's made for the job. A paint scraper, a small hammer, and some ready-made grout. This one is made for glazed ceramic tiles. It's waterproof and anti-mold. First we need to scrape out the old grout. These are handmade Mexican terracotta tiles, so I want you to be careful not to be too abrasive. I scrape as much as I can out with the grout scraper and then carefully chop out the rest with a paint scraper and a hammer. I want to get all loose bits of grout out of there. Then I wipe all loose bits off with a damp cloth. I also have broken grout along the tabletop by the sink. I'm embarrassed to admit that it has been like that for quite a while. So let's scrape that out too. When it's all gone, clean it up, ready for grouting. I cut the nozzle to a suitable size and squeeze a bead into the gap along the cooker backsplash. then smooth it out with a wet finger and take away the excess. I let it sit for a minute before wiping it with a damp cloth and very little pressure, ever so softly. The idea is to create a smooth seam and remove excess grout from the tiles. That's the hob done. Let's do the same by the sink. Fill the gap. Smooth it out. And wipe it off. All done. Isn't that so much better? It didn't even take that long. Now why didn't I do that a long time ago? I last wiped to remove the thin film of grout on the tiles and tabletop. And that's it. Gaston can now get back to his corner. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel, it's completely free. And if you hit the little bell icon, you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind.